take you through the yard of all kinds of antiques that's on display here. This is at the Freiburg Fair. A whole bunch of odds and ends here going on. Look at that, some wagons, horse-drawn wagons, horse to the rock crusher, running on old pistons. Look at that. You get to see some more of these little engines here. Hay wagons. Okay, here we have for spraying. A whole bunch. Very, very old. A whole yard full. This is all on display for you to come and see. Check it out for yourself right here at the Freiburg Fair.